In this video, we will talk about change of base. Log base b of a is equal to log c of a divided by log c of b. The most important thing in here is that this a comes in the numerator, this b comes in the denominator. Make sure a, b, c are greater than 0, and b, c cannot be equal to 1. Think about this. Why is this true? All right. Let's look at the proof of why this change of base works. If we let x to be log base b of a, if we were to rewrite this as an exponential form, we have the base b raised to the x power is equal to a. If we take the log on both sides, we have log b to the x, but this power x using the laws of logs, we can bring it out in the front. So x log of b is equal to log of a. So x, if we divide log of b on both sides, we get log of a over log of b. So here we know that x is equal to log base b of a, which can be rewritten as x is equal to log of a divided by log of b. But wait a second. Miss Lee, you said it has to be log of c. This base c could be anything, because if we take the log instead of base 10, log base c, this would still work. Solve for x. We're given 8 to the x minus 5 times 4 to the x is equal to 0. Let's rewrite the 8 and 4 in base of 2. So we have 2 raised to the third power, which is equal to 8. Raise that to x minus 5. 4 is equal to 2 raised to the second power to the x is equal to 0. So we have 2 is a power to a power, so 2 to the 3x minus 5, 2 to the 2x is equal to 0. Then we look at what is there in common in between these two terms. Well, we can pull out the 2 to the 2x. 2 to the 2x, then we're left with 2 to the x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means either this has to be 0 or that needs to be 0. 2 to the 2x can never be 0, right? Because if you look at the graph of 2 to the 2x, looks something similar to this graph, right? Where it's never reaching the 0, so it can never be 0. So no solution exists on the left side. But what about the one on the right side? 2 to the x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means 2 to the x is equal to 5. Now rewrite this exponential form into a log form. We have x is equal to log base of 2 of 5, or you can say, well, 2 to the x is equal to 5, so if I were to take the log on both sides, I get log 2 to the x is equal to log of 5, but this x really comes in the front, so you have x log of 2 is equal to log of 5. Solve for x, so I need to divide it by log of 2. So log of 5 divided by log of 2. So in both of these cases, it works. And in the answers, they come out exactly the same. So the answer to this question will be x is equal to log base 2 of 5. Or in the same form, this one. And there is no solution for this guy. So the only solution that you can have is x is equal to log base 2 of 5.